Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we're hiking in the Superstition Mountains and we're about to head back to the camper to continue our Halloween food themed videos. We are making some bloody monster pancakes. Let's get back. So first we just have to mix up our pancake batter. So I have 2 cups of pancake batter, and to start with I'm just going to mix in 1 cup of original oat milk. Now that seems a little bit thick, so we're going to add in another 1/3 of a cup of oat milk. Now we've got some bacon crumbles here. Now this is what's going to make these monster pancakes. That's about 1 teaspoon of green food coloring. To make these pancakes, you're going to divvy out about 1/3 of your batter into the skillet. After a couple of seconds, carve out a hole in the center and drop in an egg, and then cook it just like a normal pancake. It doesn't matter if they fall apart because that will kind of add to the bloody monster aspect. Now these pancakes look pretty gnarly to me. And here is the fake blood from our last video. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. It was super fun making these pancakes and Zena really enjoyed them. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. We'll see you in the next one.